Hi everyone, I'm Kremlin here for the Techies, and today I'm going to show you some new features in MySQL which allow you to organize your information. So in tutorial 3, I think, I showed you how to use this code right here. I put a where command into the MySQL query which specified what information I want to extract, and it compared this column name with this input which we got from the user. Now, this only gives us one organization, and it sorts it by how it appears in the database itself. But if we wanted to reorganize it, we could use another command. It's called order by, and then we put in whatever column name we want. So, say we want to organize it by date, and then we could specify whether we wanted to descend or ascend, which means it goes from smallest to greatest, or so on and so forth. So now we are looking for data that matches this specification right here, and then we are organizing this data based on this. You can also set this to be random, which is very useful. Rand, and then parentheses with nothing in them. That makes it random. Very useful. And another thing that is also good if you have a lot of data and you only want a small piece of it, you can say limit and then whatever number you want, like 15 or whatever. Now what this will do, just to recap, it'll look for data that matches this, and it'll organize it randomly and limit it to 15. Very useful. One more thing, quick thing, since this is kind of short tutorial. We're gonna put or and commands in here. So say you wanted there to be two specifications for this, not just this one city is equal to get ID or whatever. Say we had another column named town is equal to the same variable here. Let's get ID. Okay. This wouldn't work, however. You can't just put two specifications in there. You need to specify whether it's an or an and. Now what's the difference? Or means that if one of these is true, if either one, regardless of whether the other one is true or not, then it'll give us this information. And the and, on the other hand, it says that both of them have to be true for it to give us the information. It's very useful. And of course, this follows the same logic. You can put these in parentheses. Remember back in your math class where you did order of operations, you would put stuff in parentheses for it to be done first. This is the exact same principle. So now it would look for where these are the same, and then this condition would be compared to this, and if one of them is true, it'll give us this, and then it'll be ordered randomly and then limited to 15. So yeah, very useful stuff to know about MySQL queries and ordering and stuff. So thank you. This has been Kremlin. Make sure you go to th3techies.com. There will be a link in the underbar. Thanks for watching.